Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send money through Payoneer. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Payoneer application or go to Payoneer website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen you can see Pay option. Click on Pay, then you will have different option to send money to your recipient. You can either send money to your recipient Payoneer account or your recipient bank account. Choose any of this, then fill in your details. Then you can send money from your Payoneer. This is how you can send money from Payoneer. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.